So you work as a truck driver and you deliver to Sam's Club only?
No, many different places. The tire choices and Freightliner,
So it's mostly car parts,
batteries. Yes.
batteries. What kind of license do you need for this?
Class A license. Drive a tractor and trailer.
Do you need experience?
At least 2 years. Pretty much all companies require 2 years experience.
How did you get your Class A license?
Oh, I get them on 1985.
Okay.
Back then, they wasn't asking for tractor inspection.
Like how many hours do you...
I work 10 hours per day, pretty much. Sometimes 12.
Like how much do they pay?
They pay me like $20 per hour. Overtime, it's time and a half. About 20 plus half, it's $30 per hour after 8 hours.
And would you recommend this job to other people?
Oh yeah, of course, yes. There's a lot of places hiring Class A drivers, so I think it's a very good opportunity for people looking for a job.
Yeah.
Class A driver.
So they're always hiring this company.
Not this company, but pretty much some other companies.
Okay. Well, thank you, Juan. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time.
All right.